Hello everyone. Good morning. Good morning. Welcome back to my blog. For today's blog, I see a lot of birds down here. They're having a family gathering. All the birds right there in the step. Having a family gathering. I don't want to scare them. There are a bunch of them. Good morning to you all. We go out shout out to all the viewers, subscribers. Please don't forget to like and share. There's so many birds right there. Hello, birdie. The birds right there. We're gonna shout out, like and share my viewers. And if you haven't subscribed and liked my YouTube channel, please don't forget to like and share. It's me again. It's been a blog. Here comes the birds.